Hey, how's it going, guys? Garcia here with another portfolio update. I hope everyone had a happy Thursday. So, today we'll go over the quick update, we'll go over some memes, we'll go over the portfolio breakdown, we'll go over some Palantir call options that I'm kind of looking into, and the Apple earnings play. So, let's take a look at the quick update. So, we had a pretty decent day today. We are up after hours as well. So we are up to $98,642.13 today. So looking pretty good. All right. So this one I posted it right after the update. I put I can't relate. And the guy, I'm an idiot. Why didn't I buy Palantir at $22 when it was at $27 on March 2024? Today it's at $22. The guy's like, LOL, I ain't buying that shit. I thought it was pretty funny. The homies pulling me out of another unsuccessful earnings play. Freaking lost money on SoFi, Lemonade, what other company? I even forgot. And here, I'm buying some call options on Palantir. So I put, Lord forgive me, for I am locked in. I'm back on my bullshit. I'll go over this play a little bit more later on. Well, so it looks like I'll be going over right now. Looks like we're done for today. All right. So let's take a look at the breakdown. So in the traditional IRA, we are up 1.9% today, $76. And we're up another $49 after hours, which is pretty nice. And the Roth IRA is where we made a couple changes today. So today, we're up 2% on the Roth IRA. And you'll notice there's a slight difference in the percentage. 1.94, 2.03, even though these used to have the exact same holdings. But what changed? I sold a couple of shares of Palantir today. And I sold them to buy these call options. I know I haven't learned my lesson, but the difference with these is these have a much longer expiration date. The strike is not it's not extremely out of the money. It's at a realistic point where after earnings, you have S&P inclusion, you have other contracts coming in, that I'm very confident that Palantir will be reaching $30 at some point in the year. I don't know if it's going to sustain it, but my intention is once Palantir is in the 30s, 31, $32, will be to sell these calls at a profit, and all that money, take it and plow it right back into shares. Or, depending on what the market is looking like, then just holding it as cash and waiting. And waiting for an opportunity. And the reason I'm doing that is because this is a Roth IRA. So with the Roth IRA, I'm not going to be worried about the tax implications. So here I can buy and sell these call options and put it back into shares without having to worry about short-term capital gains. So we'll see. Sometime in June or July, see if it ended up working out for us. All right, and in the big portfolio, we are up 2.39% today, $1,831 today. So this lemonade call option, I wish I could just get rid of it. It's insane, like how little liquidity there was in this. I I bought it for $50. And I said, you know what? Maybe I could just, if Lemonade could just hold on to these gains after hours. It beat earnings, and it was at 11 p.m. It was at $19. And on the day these call options, I could have sold them at a profit or even break even. The market was tanking. Lemonade was tanking. So it's unfortunate. And I honestly, I can't even get rid of it. I tried just selling it for $1 just to get it out of my list, but it won't even let me. There's no liquidity. So I just have to stare at it. Here's the Palantir cash secured puts. Today's return was $240 today. So total return is $20. So, this is just going to be swinging up and down the closer and closer we get to earnings. And on earnings will be a very binary event. It's going to go really for me or really against me. We'll find out then. And we'll look at the Palantir today. This one brought in $2,635.52. So the Apple play. So Apple looks like they crushed earnings. Let's see how they're doing right now. Let's see. Apple. Yeah, so they're still up 6% after hours. Now, what was my play? It was not call options. I'm learning my lesson. It was this. I said, you know what? Let's buy a couple shares of this leveraged ETF. I'll buy it before earnings. So I bought them for $22.74 each. And then immediately after earnings, they jumped up to $25.69 a share. So I sold them immediately. I mean, it wasn't that much profit really. It's I put in 100 and I made, I think, like $15. Like, it's really not that much. And how much did I sell it for? $25.69. Yeah, so I sold it somewhere around here. And we'll see. We'll see if this ended up being a good. I think it's a good play. I mean, the profits had already been taken, so I just kind of wanted to increase the brokerage, the buying power up here. So I increased it from $100 to $113. So I think that's gonna be it for today, guys. If you guys have any questions or any comments, just let me know down below. Thank you guys for the ones who continue supporting and watching the channel, hitting the like button. Midwest, Chaos, Dex, Michael Wilder, Kelly, Jess. Who else? Who else am I? Let's see. Cantonese Cat, Bob, TJ, Amit. I mean, anyone who I haven't mentioned, just let me know down below if I missed you. But thank you guys for your support. It does mean a lot. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.